Sips are beautiful, nice and tucked in. All you see is the tip, no piping. Oh yeah. Always gotta remember these mufflers break in after 30 days. Still though, nice and deep. Won't cause all that drone in the cabin. Got that Z71 badge on there. Gorgeous truck. And go Titans. Much better. See what I mean now? Sounds way better than that. I told you. You don't need to have the duals to make it sound good. Yeah. It all depends on the muffler. Looks better now with the black. What? You don't like that black on it no more? Nice and deep. Completes the look with the black tip, the soled black.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone